Hello again, students. It's me again, your teacher in piano, and we are now in our fourth lesson piano tutorial session during this COVID lockdown. So again, stay safe and yeah, just learn an instrument. Okay, so yeah, I welcome you to the fourth session, and I'm glad you have come this far. So means that you have already learned a lot. I mean, you can play already 3 songs at least. So for those who weren't able to, I mean, for those um, who has seen this video or who came across this video without watching the first 3 parts. I really require you to to watch those first, because they have some information that you really need to have before going. Doing this session. So, okay. So let's start with the session like we always do. Um, you know. By the way, at this point we can just I'm asking you to exercise also your fingers so that they can be strong, like thumb, yeah, 4 times each finger like that. Alright, you can do that on your own spare time. Okay, so yeah, so let's go on to the song. We have a new song again, and hopefully you'll be able to guess the title of the song. And by the way, were you able to guess the title of the song last time? Really? Wow, good. So, what's the song? What's the title of the song? Yes, it's actually Are You? Are You Sleeping? Yes, that's the title of the song, of the previous song. Are You Sleeping, Brother John? Okay, anyway, so this one is, let's do the right hand again. First, right hand. Mi, re, mi, hold. That's the first line, right? If you can see that. Yeah. And then let's do the second line. Re, hold. Mi, so, hold. Right? Now this third line is almost the same as the first line. There's just one difference, which is the do there on the last. Okay, so let's try the third line. Mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, do, hold. Get it? Okay, so that's the right hand. Now the second, again, you can rewind this part so that you can master the right hand. Now, in order to give us more mastery of the piano, of the instrument, like I mentioned to you last time, we can try to play a drum, a rhythm, for our playing, so that it will make us better players in the future, like this. Okay, so that's the drum, but okay, hang on just a second, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, right hand first. Mi, re, do, mi, hold. Hold. Mi, so, hold. Mi, get it? Alright, good. So, yeah, we will now do, what I will do, I will try to play only the drums for you to follow along with your own playing, okay? So I will not play anything If you want, I can sing. If you want, yeah, I think I can do that. So let's try you only play with the drums. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Mi, re, go, re, mi, hold. Re, hold. Mi, so, hold. Mi, re, go, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, hold. Get it? Okay, good. Now, we will now, okay, and you can always rewind that part for your playing, okay, for you to master. Now, let's do both hands. So again, the C there is on the left. Okay, the C is on the pinky on the left, and the G is on the right. I mean thumb. Sorry, left thumb. Now let's start. Okay, you ready? 2, ready, go. I bet you noticed my mistake on this part. You remember? Did you notice my mistake on this part? Yeah, I wasn't able to just play the C instantly on that with the me. Yes, so I forgot. Anyway, even if I forgot or made a mistake, I still went through. I mean, I still continued. I still went on, because if you don't go on, you will the drums will not wait for you. Okay, the rhythm will not wait for you. It will not stop, right? So like that. Anyway, so you can rewind it. If you want, we can play one last time, and then you can make this as your rewind part. Yeah, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so if you I would suggest also, if you are already very confident on the play of this on a very slow tempo or speed, you can make the YouTube on plus, I think there will be a plus 25 there, or plus 50, plus 70, not the negative one, or no, sorry, I think it's 1.25. It goes 1.25, 1.50, like that. So you can put it on 1.25. It's faster, and then faster and faster. Fastest 1.75, so that you can try to play along with it in a fast manner. And in this way, you will be able to still again master your skill or on shifting chords, and of course reading the notes. Yeah, okay, cool. Now next time again we will be doing another song, again a new song. Of course, each time is a new song, but hopefully in no time we will be reading already the proper notes, not the re or mi re do, the proper notes, the drawing of notes like quarter, half note, whole note. But I think it will take a little more of these. I will give you more, and then we'll start with the book. Okay, cool. So again, stay tuned for the next session, next lesson, which is the fifth one. And again, practice so that you will master the skill. And okay, subscribe to my channel, share it so that many kids or many students will also learn from it. Will also learn from the videos. Yeah, and subscribe and turn on notification also so that uh, you will be updated always on the new videos. Okay, cool. Right, see you again next time. Bye bye.